what are the major awards? We have for the third place in street dance category. As we all know that we have two categories, the street dance and arena. For the third place in street dance category, we will be receiving 10,000 pesos certificate and trophy.
And for the second place in street dance category, they will be receiving 13,000 pesos certificate and a trophy.
And of course, for the first place in street dance category, they will be receiving 15,000 pesos certificate and trophy.
Here we go with the arena dance competition. For the consolation prize, we will have 4 winners. For the consolation, they will be receiving 10,000 pesos and a certificate.
And now down to the arena dance category. The second runner-up will be receiving 30,000 pesos certificate and trophy.
And for the first runner-up in arena dance category, they will be receiving 40,000 pesos certificate and a trophy.
Wow! And of course, the champion for the arena dance category, tumataginting na 50,000 pesos certificate and trophy. Wow! What a major prizes! And let's go down to the special award. We have for the best in production design, we'll be receiving 5,000 pesos certificate and trophy.
For best in concept, we'll be receiving 5,000 pesos certificate and trophy.
For the best in choreography, best choreographer, most disciplined group, best in costume, best in festival costume design. We also have best cluster banner and the best choreographers showdown performance. They will be receiving 5,000 pesos certificate and trophy. And for the best choreographers showdown performance, it is sponsored by our SK Student President, Honorable James Anthony Garrucho. And now for the criteria for judging. For the street dance competition, parade exhibition that includes progression, continuity and flow of parade, consistency and showmanship all throughout the parade. That's 30%.
For the choreography, creativity and artistry of steps, clarity of ideas presented and composition, style and expression for 25%.
Performance, which includes mastery, unity and precision, discipline and attitude of performers, precision, coordination and projection, alignment, rhythmic and spatial interest, required dance, step 2, the Barangay, step 3, Borador, step 4, Pabanting, and the Ogyos steps, that's 25%.
And for the costumes and props, that includes costumes and props appropriateness to concept, quality of design, sustainability of sources, artistic choice of color and style for 15%.
And the visual impact, the overall aesthetic and visual impact, audience impact is 5% for a total of 100%. And now let us hear a message. Let us all welcome with a sounding applause, Honorable James Anthony M. Garrucho.
To our beloved City Mayor, Marina Gina M. Lizares, to our Vice Mayor, Oscar C. Montilla Jr., to my fellow City Councilors ng RD, sa Barangay officials and sa Sangguniang Kabataan officials, to the event organizers ng Papatayong Sine, to the men in uniform and to the Board of Judges, at sa tanan ng mga Supalaynon, may ngapon sa inyo tanan. So today is the street dance competition. It is a vivid display of Sipalay's creativity, passion, and unity. Through colorful costumes, rhythm music, and mesmerizing choreography, our performers bring to life the stories and spirit of Sipalay. Each step, each beat, and each movement is a testament to the artistry and the talent of our people. Sa tanang organizers, performers, and participants, salamat sa inyong dedikasyon kag hard work para maging successful ang inyong festival. Sa tanang pagbisita, salamat sa suporta para magpakita ang Sipalay noon sa ilang mga talento. At sa buong gabi, let us celebrate with gratitude, pride, and joy. Together, let us continue to make Sipalay City a shining example of unity, culture, and progress. Mabuhay ang Sipalay City, mabuhay ang Pasaway Underground Festival. Salamat, magandang hapon sa inyo tanan.
Alright, thank you so much, and one more time, Honorable James Anthony M. Garucho.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us continue the competition. Let us all welcome the Cluster 3, the Barangay Maricalom, Barangay Kayhagan, and Barangay Nabulao. And this time, let us take a look at their audio-visual presentation.
Ako, si Kapitan Bibot Ilarcosa sa Barangay Nabulao. Kaupod ko si Larry Mati sa Barangay Maricalom. Kaupod ko si Kapitan Romeo Bayon sa Barangay Kayhagan. Kami nga team Marca Bulao. Nagapakigbahin sa pinalabot na Pasaway Handurawan Festival Dance Competition. Dumigati parar, ang magawa, lusang paglaon, asito magapatayo, ang mga dulo. Kami sa Maricabulao, Maricalom, kaya gaan kang Nabulao, nagapasalamat ng ako sa atong sudad ng Sipalay sa suporta nga mahimo ining Pasaway Handurawan Festival 2024 Dance Competition. Sa mga kapitanes, kagagawad, kag-SK, pang tatlo ka barangay, salamat na madamo. Ilabi sa mga dancers, kag mga gilikanan nga nagasuporta sa sini nga buluhaton. O yun, si Palaynon. O si Christian Valencia, ang official photographer sa barangay Maricalom, Kayhagan, Nabulao. Ako nagpasalamat din sa Gulong Barangay Bibot Ilarcosa, Larry Mati, Romeo Bayo. Sa chance ng oportunidad yung makasubyo ang magpapresentar sa cluster
Kayhagan guys, kaso determine sa
Sipalay sa pagpangunan ni Mayor Maria Gina Emisares kag Vice Mayor Oscar Cilla Jr. at sa sangguniang panglungsod member. Saging makapamotivate sa mga kabataan na magpartisipasyon sa Pasaway Handurawan Festival. Saging makapagbinato ang kabataan na mag-interest sa tao.
Ngayon, first runner-up nila sa 2019
sa pagbuligay nga mapalayo sila sa mga malain ng inflow, kag madiskubrihan nila kung ano ang ginatawag na saot, kag mapalayo nila kung ano ang ginatawag na dancer, kag matilawan nila ang nagkasari-sari namin ng general skills, kag mga experience namin sa mga naglanlain na banwa, kag nadala namin dito sa Sipalay kung ano ang culture sa saot. Ang preparasyon namin sa naging ang aming subong nagpreparahan, ang pag-una mo ng step sa saot na makilalaan sa mga endorso naman kung ano ang araw sa Sipalay.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Cluster 3 from Barangay Maricalom, Barangay Kayhagan, and Barangay Nabulao with our host Barangay Nabulao under Gulong Barangay, Honorable Enrique Ilarcosa. Cluster Coordinator Honorable Cliff Ryan Giano, and with our official choreographer Christian A. Valencia. Ladies and gentlemen, Cluster 3, the Magkabulaw. This is
Pasawari Haturawang Festival 2024 Festival Dance Competition!
Sang una, nadahatang kauswahan ang nagdala sa ngalan sang sipalay sa kabantugan. Sa pagsira sang mina, anulang mag-atundak banwa, may pagkabunan maihan na ikabulos, agad na magkakabilin ang kasadya.
Dumigapit parang kayang marami ang magahuman. Sinulos ang paglaong ang pagkasiso mga patayo at ang mga bumyon. Lupad, lupad, lupad. Sa
3, the Marcabula!
What a performance coming from Cluster 3!
Cluster Coordinator Honorable Cliff Ryan Giano, and their official coordinator, choreographer, Christian A. Valencia. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Cluster 3, the Marcabula!
Pwede ba nung yung champions mo? Pre-champions mo? Ako na ang start again na ako na ang defending champion. Kung hindi naman depende, si Christian na daw kamo ni ang ano.
One more time from the Cluster 3, Marcabula! Again, partner, we're already down with our 3, Lester.
4 more to go.
Yes, that is right. And what an amazing performance so far we have witnessed.
Grabe ang mga supporters natin na nag-ari din nagtambong sa aton na Citizen Nation. Kamusta mo? Okay ba mo da?
Kamusta ang tulog sa Sipalaynon?
Sa partner ilang ang may para ginapakita ang ilang pagpalangga at suporta sa ilang mga clustered barangays. Madang hugit na salamat sa inyong matanan.
And this time, it's the perfect time to meet our board of judges. We have first our arena dance category. Starting off with our first judge, a graduate of PS Tourism at ABE International Business College, a National Meritorious Awardee of National Commission of for Culture and Arts last June 27, 2023 at Metropolitan Theater in Manila. The Artistic Director and Choreographer of Kinabuhay Festival of the Municipality of Morsha at Panaad San Negros Festival, Best of Festival Dances. 2023 First Runner-Up. 2024 Champion in Municipal Category. The choreographer of Tribo Paspas of Barangay Ilocos of Kansilay Festival 2024 Grand Champion, and presently a tourism staff and the resident choreographer of the Municipality of Morsha. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Mr. Joven B. Alitao.
And our next judge, graduated Bachelor of Science in Social Work at Colegio de Santa Ana, Victoria City. Currently taking a master's degree in social work at the University of Negros Occidental, Recoletos. Presently working at City Social Welfare and Development Office, Victoria City as Social Welfare Officer 1, Local Youth Development Officer Designate of Victoria City, a part-time teacher at Colegio de Santa Ana de Victoria City. At present, the official coordinator, artistic director, and choreographer of Sitlak Kadalagan Festival of City of Victoria. Represented Kadalagan Festival in Aliwan Fiesta 2023, Battle of the Best of Festival Champions, and grabbed 5th place. Back-to-back champion, Panaad San Negros Best of Festival Dance 2023 to 2024, representing Kadalagan Festival, and a youth advocate and registered social worker. Ladies and gentlemen, our second judge, let's all welcome Mr. Ricky P. Lapidante Jr.
Our third judge, a former instructor at Central Philippine State University, Moises Padilla Campus, a former subject matter expert, operations support and sales coach at Concentrex CBG Philippines, Bacolod City. Candidates Dinagyaw sa Tablas Festival, Executive Director for year 2023, 2024, and 2025. Panaad sa Negros Festival Coordinator of the Municipality of Candoni for the year 2023 and 2024. Completed the two-day festival management seminar workshop conducted by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts last March 15 to 16, 2024. Judge for various festivals in the province of Negros Occidental, and currently a Tourism Operation Officer 2 of the Municipality of Candoni. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, Mr. Carl King R. Esmeralda.
And our fourth judge, a graduate of the University of St. LaSalle with a degree of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Physical Education, Health and Music. A full-grant scholar of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, Diploma in Teaching Arts, major in Dance. Performance Meritorious Awardee of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, Committee on Dance. Champion in various dance competitions, both local and national. Former member of the Kabataang Silay Performing Arts, who represented the Philippines in the International Children Arts Festival in Guangdong, China, and in the International Folklore Festival held in Aberdeen, Scotland in Europe. Presently, the Artistic Director of the University of Negros Occidental Recoletos Performing Arts, the Dance Specialist of Special Program and the Arts, a Master Teacher 1, multidisciplinary artist, and a performer, a dancer, and a choreographer, both local and national. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our fourth judge, Mr. Ronnie Escamilla.
And now, the Chief Judge. He's one of the Filipino delegates who attended the 32nd Thailand International Folklore in Sisakit, Surin, Cambodia, and in Bangkok last November 4 to 10, 2024. In 2020, the Naldang Bayan Regional Writer, Region 7, Central Visayas, conferred by the Civil Service Commission of the Republic of the Philippines last June 2021 in Cebu City. In 2019, Gawad Outstanding Diamante Award given by the Philippine Folk Dance Society at the Folk Arts Theater Cultural Center of the Philippines and the Dance Researcher of New Folk Dance of Manhuyod de Mantuan. 2018, Sidlak Negorense Awardee in the field of culture and the arts given to the province of Negros Oriental. A National Treasure and lifetime member of the Samahang Tagapagtaguyod ng Katutubong Sayaw ng Pilipinas, Philippine Folk Dance Society, and the President of the Philippine Folk Dance Society, Negros Oriental Chapter. A researcher of the new and soon-to-be published folk dance entitled Mantuon, which will be the official folk dance of the Municipality of Manhuyod. One of the editors of the Tayo, Dances of the Philippine Islands, a dance book publication of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. Associate Professor 5 and Director of the University Cultural Affairs, Director of the University Sports and Athletics of Negros Oriental State University, Dumaguete City. A President of the Negros Oriental High School Alumni Federation, and a President invited as an adjunct professor teaching at the Graduate School of Foundation University in Dumaguete City while finishing a second postgraduate degree of PhD in Education at Silliman University. Ladies and gentlemen, our Chief Judge, Dr. Carlo G. Bernaldez.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Board of Judges. And this time, our Tabulation Committee. Headed by the Southland College, Cabancalan City, with Mr. Daniel Tagulala and Mr. Adrian Rival. Ladies and gentlemen, our Tabulation Committee.
And now let's also meet our street dance category judges. Starting off with Ipanaad sa Negros documentarist, Negros Occidental Tourism Division Contract Photographer, an honorary member of Tourism Officers of Negros Occidental, member of the Negros Press Club, and a Digicast Negros contributing photographer. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Ronnie J. Baldonado.
Chapter, Board of Director of Project CARES, or Community Activities, reaching out to everyone through services at NGO in Negros Occidental, a freelance photojournalist and writer for Manila-based Bondi News Asia and the Visayan Daily Star and other local media outlets in Bacolod City. Ladies and gentlemen, our second judge for street dance, Mr. Andrew G. Altarejos.
And of course, our third judge for the street dance competition completed his Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE at Norso, represented Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental on ABC, CBN's It's Showtime in the year 2012 together with the Dumaguete Pride Dance Crew, the champion choreographer of Kisi-Kisi Festival in the municipality of Ilog, Negros Occidental from 2010 to 2011. In national coach for the Culture and the Arts Festival 2018, representing Region 7, held in the University of Southeastern Philippines, Davao City. Featured as a guest performer during the Lantern Festival of Taibao City, Taiwan, country in East Asia in the year 2018. Awarded as the most outstanding dance artist and leadership award of Norso in the year 2019. Served as a regional and national coach trainer for the Philippine Association of State Universities and Colleges since 2014, representing Region 7. A lifetime member of Samahang Tagapagtaguyod ng Katutubong Sayaw ng Pilipinas, Region 7 Chapter and National Chapter. Represented Region 7 at Philippine Association of State Universities and Colleges National Culture and Arts Festival 2024 held at Batangas State University. A choreographer of Negros Oriental State University Main Campus 1 and 2, Kabilin Dance Company since 2014 to present. Currently employed as a physical education instructor at Negros Oriental State University Main Campus 1 and 2, and a licensed professional teacher, graphic artist, dancer, and choreographer. Ladies and gentlemen, our third street dance competition judge, Professor Jomar T. Lapinid. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our board member of the Negros Occidental 6th District, Honorable Jeffrey T. Tumula.
And before we proceed, ladies and gentlemen, let us hear a special message from one of our City Council. Let us all welcome Honorable Jaywell L. Selga.
Honorable Oscar Simulcilla Jr. Sa kaupod ko sa City Council, of course, ari man ang atong SK Federated President, we have Honorable James Anthony Montilla Garucho. Ang atong Liga ng mga Barangay President, we have Honorable Eler Bores. Sa aton man 6th District Board Member, nangin kaupod natin sa buong hapon, no? We have Honorable Jeffrey Tito Bola. Siya, no? Praktakan na siya, nangin kaupod natin siya. Sa aton mga Board of Judges, of course, ari sa among likod ang mga barangay captains naton from 17 barangays, ari sila, aton mga kagawads, aton judges, of course, aton choreographers and dancers, and people of Sipalay City, maayong hapon, mainit-init na hapon sa aton tanan-tanan. Nalipay din ako kung sunod namon kagina, puno-puno kinang aton nga dance arena, no, kanami, kaya ang inyong pagkato rin, nagpapakita sa inyong pagsuporta sa inyong mga taksa-taksa ka barangay na ginarepresentahan, no. Kabalo ko kada isa sa aton, excited with yung mag-witness ang kada performances ng Custard Barangays, of course. Ini nga celebration ang Pasaway Handurawan Festival o fiesta nato sa aton syudad. Hindi lang siya simple nga celebration, but it is a celebration of vibrant cultures, of course, no? Dala na ang atong pagpasalamat sa Ginoo nga sa bilog nga tuig, wala niya kita ginpabayano. He sustains us sa ato resources, sa aton ginsustinan kita sa Ginoo. Amo na nga pasalamatan tagi siya kag ini mga bugay nga pwede naton ipabugay sa bilog nga kalibutan. Gani, salamat gid sa inyo tanan-tanan. Maayong hapon. Happy Fiesta si Palay North and hashtag wow na wow si Palay. Maayong hapon and thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much one more time, Honorable Janewell L. Selga.
And this time, let us hear another message. Let us all welcome Honorable Romy A. Vargas.
Salamat sa aton pinalangga kag mapinalanggaon ang City Mayor Maria Gina Montilla Lizares, sa aton City Vice Mayor Oscar C. Montilla Jr., sa bugos nga katapo sa Sangguniang Panglungsod sa Siyudad San Sipalay, sa aton nangin kaupod sa sining nga hapon, sa kaya sa board Honorable Tubula, sa aton mga punong barangay, sa aton mga BHW, Kanods, barangay official, barangay kagawad, sa aton mga hurado sa sining nga hapon, sa aton dungganon kaghalangdon nga mga pumuluyo sa siyudad San Sipalay. Maayong hapon sa aton tanan. Maayong hapon. Isa ka dako mapagpanginbulahan umalin sa inyong kubos nga sulugon sa siyudad San Sipalay. Bangon ang kooperasyon, makita naton kag isa man kadako nga pagpanginbulahan sa aton tanan. Upod ng aton mga bisita sa sining kahiwatan, sa sining isa naman kamaduagon nga kahiwatan sa siyudad San Sipalay, bangod sa pagkooperar gate sa tagsa-tagsa ka mga pumuloyo kag barangay official humalin sa aton nga City Mayor kadto sa aton City Vice Mayor. Sa liwat ginapanginbulahan nakon kita tanan sa sining okasyon sa isa naman kahalandumon nga okasyon sa siyudad San Sipalay. Happy Fiesta Sipalay-non.
Yes, thank you so much, Honorable Romy Vargas. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet the Cluster 4. Representing Barangay 3 and Barangay 4. And now let's take a look on the screen.
Maricel Gracie Cartagena, punong barangay sa barangay 4, kaupod po si Honorable Rolando Bor, punong barangay sa barangay 3. Kami ang Let's 4 nagabulong sa palabuton ng Kasaway ang Burawan Festival Dance Competition sa December 20, 2024. Ang among motivation sa among mga dancers amo ang paglangga sa ilay pilig sa pagsaot nag-amuang support sa kada barangay sa among mga dancers. Padayon lang kamo sa inyong gusto kang andon, bisan anuman nga kaplawan sa kabudlayan sa inyong pag-practice. Halin sa pinakasugod, ginapakita niyo din ang inyong dedikasyon, kanindo kamo, magwaswas tudo ang inyong saot, kay kada iwag sa inyong pagsaot ng istorya na mahatag sa ibalong sa mga tao.
Ako si Nimrod Panis, Barangay Kagawad ng Barangay 4, Community on Tourism, Coordinator sa Pastres. Kami kaupod sa Barangay Official sa Barangay 3, sa Barangay 4.
ang among preparasyon na ginagawa namon, sinausda namin sila sa kadasyon sa practice, kag ginahatag namon ang ila kinahanglanon, kag ginamotivate namin sila para ihatag nila ang ila best, para maging madinalagpon kag manimbugal sa Barangay 4. Madamo gud salamat.
Ako galing si Daniel P. Damandaman, Assistant Person sa Barangay 4. Kagita man sa Coordinator sa Barangay 4. Dinamotivate ko ang mga kabataan sa pagpadayon ng pagpartisipal sa sining aktibidad sa pagpakilala at pag-istorya sa ilang pagsugod-sugod sa atong matahong na lugar at sa iyang pagprogreso. Ako si Chloe Jan Lorca Gaben, Official Choreographer sa Barangay 3 at Barangay 4. Ako na rin pasalamat din sa punong barangay, Honorable na Maricel Directi Kahena sa Barangay 4, kag sa punong barangay sa Barangay 3, Honorable Rolando S. Bores. Pinapasalamatan po ang LGU Sipalay, ginapangunahan ni City Mayor Maria Gina Montilla Lizares, kag sa ato na City Vice Mayor Oscar C. Montilla Jr., kag sa sangguniang pang-lungsod member.
With their host barangay, Barangay 4, and their punong barangay, Honorable Maricel V. Cartagena, their cluster coordinators, Honorable Nimrod E. Panes, and ST Chairperson Daniel P. Damandaman, with official choreographer, Chloe John L. Gaben. Ladies and gentlemen, Cluster 4 from Barangay 3 and 4, Ticuatres. This is Pasaway Hondorawan Festival 2024 Festival Dance Competition!
Saway, sang una, nagahakan kauswahan, ang nagdala sa ngalan sang sipalay sa kabantugan, sa pagsira sang nina, ang nga ang dakpanwa, may palakabunan maihan na ikabulos, agad makakabilin ang kasadya.
Dumigapi parang kaya ako yung magamutan. Sinulong sang paglaom at pakasin So magpadayon at ang mga ganyan. Lupad, lupad, lupad.
Yeah, one more time! Cuatres! Of Barangay 3 and 4. With the host Barangay 4. The Purong Barangay, Honorable Maricel J. Cartagena. And the classic coordinators, Honorable Nemrod A. Panes. And SK Chairman, Daniel B. Damandaman. And the official choreographer, Louis John L. Gavin. One more time, the cluster 4, Cuatres! So this time, let us proceed to the awarding of certificate of appreciation to our sponsors and partners. For the Light the Tree project, sponsors and partners. We would like to request the PESO, the City Public Employment Services Office, headed by Ms. Mary Ann Argelius, and or representative, together with the city councilors. Again, we'd like to invite our city councilors to join for the certificate, for the award of certificate of appreciation for the Light the Tree project sponsors and projects. So we would like to invite the City Public Employment Service Office, headed by Ms. Mary Ann Argelius. Again, together with our city councilors. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Land Bank of the Philippines, Sipalay Branch, as one of our sponsor and partner of the Light the Tree project of the Pasaway Hundarawan Festival 2024. Together with the Central Philippine State University, Sipalay Campus. The same certificate is also given to Gil Montilla National High School, Maine. The same certificate is awarded to Gil Montilla National High School, Binuling Extension. And the same certificate is also awarded to Doing Sam Incorporated, Sipalay Branch. The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Maranatha Christian Academy. The same certificate is also awarded to Kamen Restaurant.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to the Nagong Dagat Island Resort, Latasan Island Resort, and Nig Marketing Corporation.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to the Penta J Printing Services. So we are calling down any representatives of the mentioned sponsors and partners for a Light the Tree project. So let's continue for the giving of certificate of appreciation. So the certificate is also presented to Pakatuka Beach Resort.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Bermuda Beach Resort, Green Garden Beach Resort, Driftwood Beach Resort.
We also have a certificate of appreciation is awarded to Big Bamboo Beach Resort, Southeast Lodge, Sugar Lounge Beach Resort, Sulu Sunset Beach Resort, and we have the Sun and Moon Dance Beach.
Let's continue. The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Sea Explorer, Buenaventura Beach Resort, Monterey Philippines Incorporated, 24-hour Supermart OPC, and Cabras Catholic College. Again, we would like to request any representative to please receive your award.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Barangay Kaihagan, Taugama Fee, Ken Daniel Pharmacy, Candy Motolians, and Sipalay City National High School.
We also have Arza Sipalay since 2018, Schools Division of Sipalay City Department of Education, and GC Appliance Central.
Let's continue the awarding of certificate appreciation. Amlan Purified Drinking Water. Frost Beach Resort. Highway Tire Supply. So these are the sponsors of this award. We have the Imagina Foundation Incorporated, headed by Mr. Raymond Villanueva and Engineer Brian Mejidia. So we would like to invite Sir Dennis Sari to join us for the awarding. So let's continue the giving of certificate appreciation to 4Wise Printing Services and Forward Hardware and Construction Supplies. And we have Timuha Cafe. Takatuka Beach Resort.
We also have Sulu Sunset Beach Resort, Southwest Resort Sipalay, Solar Zone Guest House, Pardes Beach Resort.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Naya Beach Villas, R&D Glass and Aluminum Supply, Pardes Beach Resort, Naya Beach Villas, and Model Agro Sales. The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Manami Resort, La Anova Restaurant, Jinson's Philippines Incorporated, Illuminate Aesthetic Clinic by Teen, Falcor Marketing Corporation. The same certificate is also presented to Detours Inn, Jetwood Village, Maricolon Crystal Cove, Cafe Bigote, Big Bamboo Beach Resort, Barbie's Catering Services, Ali Hardware, Sipalay City Government Employees Multipurpose Cooperative. The same certificate is given to General Services Office, City Tourism Development and Promotions Office. Also receiving the certificate of appreciation is for the City Mayor's Office, Traffic Enforcement Unit, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, City Engineering Office, Electrical Section. We also have from the Bureau of Jail Management and Technology, Sipalay City. And thank you so much and congratulations to our sponsors for our Light a Tree project. Again, headed by the City Public Employment Services Office under Miss Mary Ann Argelius and the Imagina Foundation Incorporated with Mr. Raymond Villanueva and Engineer Brian Mejidia.
And this time, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear a special message from our board member of Negros Occidental 6th District. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Honorable Jeffrey D. Tabula.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin ang duwa natin di kayo si. Palakpakan natin. O madamong din niya salamat. Mayong hapon din sa tanan-tanan. and happy fiesta, City of Sipalay. Di palakpakan naton sang matunog ang aton Pilangga nga syudad. And of course, sa aton diri pinalangga, mapisan, mabuot kay City Mayor Honorable Maria Gina M. Lizares, aton palakpakan. And Vice Mayor Honorable Oscar Nonoy Montilla, palakpakan naton sila. Pagsubong man sa aton mga mapisan Sangguniang Panlungsod members nga ari dire. Una, ari dire nga kunyada iyada Ispe Gepselga, Ispe Cheche Aliano, Ispe Rumi Vargas, ang aton ABC President Hilaire Bores, Ispe Bores, and of course ang aton SK Federated President, SK James Anthony Garotso. Palapakan naton sila. Nagsubong man ang 17 kapurong barangays nga ari dire. Madamong nga salamat. Isa na ako magpasalamat sa inyo. And of course, sa aton Board of Judges, sa aton Tourism Officer, sa kay Sir Derek Lacson, palapakan natin Sir Derek. And sa aton mga organizers, sa kay Sir Juan Saison, sa tanan-tanan nga nagbunig, and family, sa tanan nga pumuluyo nga rin hindi ko malawagan, mayong hapon, and congratulations, City of Sipalay. Una, tipot lang ko magambala. Una nga ari kita dire nga nagahiwat kita sa Pasaway Handurawan Festival nga tungod gusto matabo sa aton city officials nga handurawon o kung pwede pa lang ara sa gyapon sa aton paminsaron ang sakto nga mga after sa or before sa 76 years nga nanging syudad ang Sipalay. Kag nga gahiwat kita sila tungod sa aton una or subong nga inirasyon o sa palabuton nga inirasyon makadumdum nga mo inigali ang atong tradisyon, culture diri sa syudad sa Sipalay. Gani sa aton tatanan, kami ni Governor Bong Lacson o Congresswoman Mercedes K. Albanez, nagapasalamat din kami ni Gov nga ang syudad sa Sipalay isa ka lugar nga matawhay kung nga madamo sa aton mga turista nagakadto diri. Local man, national o international tourists, ari diri sa syudad sa Sipalay kag nagakalipay kami kung nga ang aton mga bisita nagaling sa ibang nga lugar, ari diri gakadto sa syudad sa Sipalay. Gani, isa ina kung nga nagapangibulahan ako sa inyo, ilabi na gid sa aton Pilangga nga City Mayor, kag sa aton mga city officials, kung nga diri kita nag-start sa syudad sa Sipalay tungod sa maayo nga dumala nila nga nanginataw matawhay ang ato lugar. Kaya nga kita sini nga pumuluyo ang mga benepisyo. Ang mga turista nga nagkadto diri hindi na magkadto nga wala sila inugasto. So amo na sa pasalamat kita kung nga taga Sipalay kita. Sa inyo tatanan, congratulations, happy fiesta, happy anniversary sa tanan nga pumuluyo sa Sipalay and of course sa City of Sipalay. So nagambal ko kay na nga matag ako dugang na premyo. Pero ang ambal, suggestion sa ato Pilangga nga Mayor Gina Lizares, yatag ka sa wala nagdaog. Sa aton participating tribes, pikto ka mo, first, second, third mo daog. No, di ba la? Ang wala nagdaog, nagpartisipar mo na sila. Noon mahatag ako tag 4,000 kada tribo nga wala nagdaog, 4 ka tribo. Sa suggestion sa ato Pilangga nga Mayor Gina Lizares. Sa inyo tatanan, madamo din ka salamat. Og yun, si Palaynon, Avance, Negreche. Salamat din nila.
Wow, thank you very much. Such generous board member of Negros Occidental 6th District. Ladies and gentlemen, atong palakpakan, Honorable Jeffrey D. Tabula.
And this time, let us hear another message. A big round of applause to our City Councilor, Honorable Leslie C. Arihano.
Mayong hapon. Okay, sa aton very supportive na City Mayor, Ari Gidri Subong, Honorable Maria Gina Lizares, sa aton nga City Vice Mayor, Honorable Oscar Nonoy Montilla Jr., sa aton 6th District Congresswoman, Honorable Mercedes Alvarez, sa aton 6th District Board Member, Honorable Jeffrey Tubola, sa aton mga kaupod ng mga konsihal na Adiri Subong, sa aton SK Federated President, Honorable Toto James Anton Montilla Garucho, sa aton ABC President, Honorable Hilaire Bores, sa 17 ka mga barangay captains, diri subong, barangay kagawad sa aton mga bisita, sa atong tourism office headed by Sir Jerry Lacson, kag mga organizers, sa tanan ng pumuluyong si Palaynon, isagid ka maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. Subong nagasaulog kita sa aton 76 founding anniversary Andurawan Pasaway Festival. Ini ang Battle of Festivals na nagdaog kada barangay, 17 ka barangay. So kami sa City Council nag-congratulate sa inyo, sa mga barangay captains, kastanan ng mga participants, no, sa pag-ulog sini nga kahiwatan. Hindi na ko magpadugay pa sa akong mensahe. Kami sa Team Ugyon si Palaynon City Council na ginapanamunuan sa aton pinalangga ang City Mayor Honorable Maria Gina Lizares and City Vice Mayor Honorable Oscar C. Montilla Jr. Kami tanan nagapanamyaw gid sa tanan ng mga si Palaynon. Happy Fiesta sa inyo tanan, and may God bless us all. Madamo gid nga salamat.
Alright, thank you so much, and one more time, Honorable Leslie C. Alejano.
Yes, partner! 4 down, 3 more to go. And here comes, and that's me, Cluster 5 from Barangay Nauhang and Barangay Montilla. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take a look on their audio-visual presentation.
Ako si Kapitan Emiliano Holding sa Barangay Nauhang. Kaupod ko si Kapitan G. Madrio sa Barangay Montilla. Kag kami ang munhang nagapakiglahin sa umalabot na Pasaway Handurawan Festival Dance Competition sa December 20, 2024. Dapat may self-discipline, unity, and presence of mind to become successful one.
Ako si Marlon Montalvo, Barangay Coordinator sa Munhang. Kami nagpasalamat gid sang lako sa aton syudad sa Sipalay sa mahimo ining 2024 Pasaway Handurawan Festival Dance Competition. Mga kapitanes kag kagawad sa duha ka barangay, kami nagpasalamat gid ang madamo. Ilabi na gid sa mga dancers kag ginikanan nga nagsupport sa ating nga buluhaton. Madamo gid nga salamat. Ug yun si Palaynon.
Gilberto Rila, official coordinator sa Barangay Nauhang sa Barangay Montilla. Ako nagpasalamat din kay Punong Barangay Emiliano G. Holguin at kay Punong Barangay Tima Leon Trio. Kang chance kag oportunidad na makatudlo kag mag-representar kang cluster Munhang ilabi na gid sa LGU Sipalay sa pagpanguna ni Mayor Martina M. Lizares kag sa City Vice Mayor Oscar C. Montilla Jr. kag sa sangguniang panglungsod member. Practice sa kadagan sa mga kabataan.
gentlemen, the Cluster 5 from Barangay Nauhang and Barangay Hill Montilla, host Barangay Nauhang under Punong Barangay Honorable Emiliano Holguin, Cluster Coordinator Honorable Marlon Montalvo, and official choreographer Jobert Antonina. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Cluster 5, the Munhang. This is
Pasaway Handurawan Festival 2024 Festival Dance Competition!
Saway, sang una, nagahatag kauswangan, at nagdala sa ngalan sang sipalay sa kabantugan, sa pagsirat sang nina, anula at hundak banwa, may palamunan maihan na ikabulos, agod na magamagiging ang kasadya.
Dumigapi parang kayang kurao yan nagalipan siguro sa ipaglaong at pasig sa mga patayon at ang mga bunyon lupad, lupad, lupad.
Wow, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Cluster 5, the Moonhang. From Barangay Nawang and Barangay Hill, Montilla, with their host, Barangay Nawang and Bunong Barangay, Honorable Liliana Holguin, Cluster Coordinator, Honorable Marlon Montalvo, and official choreographer, Robert and Dorilla, ladies and gentlemen, the Moonhang.
Again, this time, let us give acknowledgement to the following major sponsors. We have the Amlan Water by Ma'am Totong, Intact, and Sir Roger. Ma'am, thank you so much. So, laingit man ang tubig sa Amlan Water. The same goes with Southland College of Cabancanan City with Sir Dan Tagulala and Sir Adrian Ribal.
We also would like to acknowledge our sponsor of Celebrity Band that will be happening tonight at 9 p.m. The Lily, or formerly the Kalya Lily. And that's going to happen tonight. We would like to acknowledge Honorable Maria Gina M. Lizares, City Mayor. Our, of course, Congresswoman Mercedes Chideng Gay Alvarez. Honorable Oscar C. Montilla Jr., our Vice Mayor. And also our City Councilor, Honorable Hinaro Rob G. Alvarez, SK Federation President, Honorable James Anthony M. Garucho, together with Miss Angelica Alvarez, Angels and the Tank Guest House and the Fish Tank Seafood Restaurant. So it will be 8:30. Yes, so partner, ang aton Lily Band or Celebrity Band tonight will be happening at 8:30 p.m. So kita-kits, kapwa si Panginoon.
And let us continue and give acknowledgement to our major events committee. We have the Pabanda sa Parke and Pabanda sa Baybay, Misa sa Pagpasalamat or the Thanksgiving Mass, Parada sa Dalan or the Opening Parade,
the Grand Opening Salvo and Drum and Lyre Exhibition,
Sipalay City Agua Trade Fair,
Sustainable Livelihood Program Association,
Christmas Parade of Lights, Lights On and Fireworks Display,
Light a Tree Project,
Sipalay City Senior Citizen Foundation Day,
Adlaw sang Balangao Sipalay LGBTQIA+ Day,
Choreographer Showdown,
Pasoy Nandurawan Festival, Servicio Caravan and Job Fair.
We also have the CPSU Sipalay Day.
We also have the Sundayag sang Kabataan 2024, the third Sipalay Youth Variety Show,
Sipalay City DepEd Day,
the Upskilling Sipalay Non-Youth Leaders.
We also have the Pasaway Handurawan Festival, Street Dance and Arena Dance Competition.
We also have the Sinadya sa Sipalay Beach Party 2024.
Sipalay City Government Employees Day 2024.
The Sound System and Lights Committee.
Construction and Demolition Committee.
Radio Plugging and Advertisements.
Media and Documentation Committee.
The Logistics and Secretariat Committee.
Public Safety Committee.
Of course, from the Iwag Sipalay Christmas Carol.
City Park Christmas Decorations.
Fiesta Kiosks and Merchants Committee.
Environmental Compliance Committee.
Sponsorship Committee.
And that's a partner. Again, a big round of applause to our major sponsors and committees.
Yes, thank you so much.
Again, the same acknowledgement will be given to the Amlan Water by Ma'am Totong Intat and Sir Roger. And we also have from Southland College of Cabancalan City. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Cluster 6 from Barangay Canturay, Cartagena, and Barangay San Jose. And it's time to take a look on the screen.
Ako si Kapitan Ricardo Tudigasa ng Barangay Sarte.
Ako si Kapitan Alan Nabagan po ng Barangay Cartagena. Ako si Gulfo Calvito, Barangay Captain sa Barangay Canturay.
Kami ang Kinsalan Tuwina. Kami nagpakitbahin para sa atong napasaway ang Durawan Festival Dance Competition sa December 2024. At kami nakakagang iwan ng punctuality, dedikasyon, sa commitment, sa lugang pagiging nakakasyon sa kung mag-ispan ka ng turismo sa Pilar ng Talay. Kami sa Santoena, nagpaklamat ang dako sa atong sidas ng Sipala sa suporta nga rin mo in 2024 pasaway ang Durawan Festival Dance Competition. Sa atong mga kabarangay official, ang San Jose, Cartagena, at Canturay, umalin sa atong mga kapitanes, kagawad, SK, BHW, Ano, Drivers, ang iban pa. Labi na sa atong mga performers, sa atong mga ginkanang natudo suportaman sa piling nga buluaton, madamo at madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo tanan. God bless ug Dios di palay.
Guys, ako ni defending champion. Shout out sa mga viewers. Thank you so much for watching.
Salamat na bintagaan ko luwag chance kag opportunity mga tedlo gyapon kag mag-representa sa cluster Santoena. Ilabi na gid LGU Sipalay sa pangunan ni Mayor Maria Jenna Emisares kag Mayor F.I. Contrilla Jr. sa atong mga pamilya pang Mindanao.
Go for the win. Defending champion.
Ginamot ibig na mo mga kabataan na maagos sa pag-participate, kini nga pasawalan ng Darawang 2024, sa maagos sa pag-padayon pag-usmag sa nila mga talento, at kini nga niyon pasaway 2024, dahil nila ipakita nila mga talento pag-ang pakipag-alubino sa ipakita. Sa anong operasyon, practice everyday, kaya ginatuduan din sila ng mo, kung paano ibigla na ang kagalino sa pag-practice. Kagini mo nga naman ang kanan para sa kagalagaan naman.
With our host barangay, Barangay San Jose, and their Purong Barangay, Honorable Ricardo de Gracia, their Cluster Coordinator, Honorable Josison J. Bulao, and the official choreographer, Marvin B. Baludong. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for Cluster 6 of Barangay Cantoray, Barangay Cartagena, and Barangay San Jose. This is Santo Hena, and this is Pasaway Handurabang Festival 2024 Festival Dance Competition.
Sang una, nagahatag kauswahan ang nagdala sa ngalan sang sipalay sa kabantugan. Sa pagsiwa sang nina, anulan ang hundak banwa, may palabuan maihan na ikabulos, ang kung makakabilin ang kasadyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Cluster 6! The Santo Hena! Again, Honorable Ricardo de Gracia, and the Cluster Coordinator, Josison G. Bulao, and the official choreographer, Marvin B. Baludong!
Kasi may tendency hindi sila mag-daog. Pero kung bakit nila speed dancing, kung bakit mang-intap sila sa arena, hindi naman niya kung nadaog. Kasi Baludong mo. Kaya pa?
Alright, again, we would like to acknowledge our cluster barangays. We have our cluster 1. We have Kaminho, of Barangay Kamindangan and Manlucaho.
And cluster 2. The Mambajangan, Barangay Mambato, and Barangay Kamindangan.
And also for cluster 3, Marca Bulao, a combination of Barangay Manrikalong, Kayhagan, and Nabulao.
Of course, the Cluster 4, the Cuadres, the Barangay 3, and the Barangay 4.
We also have from Cluster 5, Munhang of Barangay Nawang and Barangay Hirmontilla.
Of course, from Cluster 6, the Santo Hena, composed of Barangay Barangay Cartagena, and Barangay San Jose.
And of course, we have our Cluster 7, the Undosco of Barangay 1, 2, and 5.
Sige lang na ano ta.
And we also would like to give acknowledgement to our honorary event counselors of our festival dance competition. We have Honorable Hilaire D. Borges,
Honorable James Anthony M. Ganucho,
Honorable Pinaro G. Alvarez IV,
and the Sipalay City Imagina Foundation Incorporated Vice Chairperson, Engineer Brian Mitsudia.
The same goes to our festival dance competition committee, with our committee chairperson, Mr. Joan L. Saison.
Together with his coordinators, Ariel Gargarina, Jason Tomaro, Raymond Reyes Jr., Jonas de la Cruz, and Juniper Lautizo.
The same goes to the working committee volunteers, Sipalay City National High School, City Tourism Development and Promotion Office, and we have the Hiraya Volunteers Organization.
Ari Japon sa live. Thank you so much. Shout out kay Jocelyn, Ana May, Padilla, Kayaw, Rosalie, Sardia.
We also like to thank the Sipalay City Imagina Foundation Incorporated with Chairman Mr. Raymond Villanueva and Vice Chairman Engineer Brian Mitsudia as our major partner of the Pasaway Handaran Festival 2024.
May ondos ko pagaling guys. Ang ondos ko muna ang nag-best.
So we'd like to say thank you also to our minor sponsors. We have the Barbies Catering,
Dingon Cafe,
Detours E,
Valor Marketing Corporation,
The Fred Bigote,
Sulu Sunset,
Big Bamboo Beach Resort,
R&D Glass and Aluminum Supply,
Takatuka Beach Resort, Maya Beach Villa,
Summer Summer,
Southwest E,
Maricalam Cristofo,
Jinsons Philippines Corporation,
Model Agro Sales,
Sardis Beach Resort,
Illuminate Aesthetics,
Ali Hardware,
La Anova Restaurant,
Manami Resort,
and of course, we'd like to acknowledge our major sponsors, The Online,
Bros Beach Resort,
Highway Tires,
and we have the Powerwise Printing and Forward Hardware. And we also would like to acknowledge the SK officials from 17 barangays. A big round of applause.
SKs, please wave your hands just right there, ladies and gentlemen. Our SK chairperson from the 17 barangays.
And no further, we're down to the last cluster. Sipalay North, are you still there?
Alive and kicking pa sila dapat partner. Ladies and gentlemen, our last performer, the Cluster 7. From Barangay 1, 2, and 5. And let's take a look at their audio-visual presentation.
Ako si Kapitan Ronald P. Barcuma sa Barangay 2. Ako si Juliet Moises sa Barangay 5. Kami ang ondisko nagapakigbayan sa umalabot na Pasaway Handurawan Festival Dance Competition sa December 20, 2024. Bilang sa kaamay ng sini nga barangay. Kami nagapasalamat sa mga dancer na nagporsigigid mag-intra sa sini nga activity. Kaya kung hindi tungod sa inyo, wala kita sang partisipasyon sa sini nga event. Ako nagasalig sa inyo nga kung kaya nila, kaya ninyo man. Tagsalamat man sa atong trainer sa iyang ang pulaw bugkaw para lang ma-share niya ang iya talento sa inyo. Madamo gi kasalamat, udos ko.
ko, nagpasalamat ang ako sa akong syudad sa Sipalay sa suporta na nahimo kini 2024 sa Saway Hadurawa Festival Dance Competition. Sa mga kapitales, sa gagawin sa tatlo ka barangay, salamat ng madamo. Labi na sa mga dancers at mga parents na nagasuporta sa sining mulaton. Ug yun, si Kalaynon.
Ko si Jawar Busilio, official choreographer ng Barangay 1, 2, 5. Ako nagpasalamat din sa mga kapitanes ng tatlo ka barangay ng Siyensa, kag-opportunity.
Right, ito lang. Ang choreographer dyan si Jao. Jao Concelio. Hindi ko kumanik. Amo ni, ko last year, amo ni, nangin second runner-up. Overall second runner-up, nangin best in costume, kag best in street dance.
Agod mabatagan man nila.
So that's why siguro nga damo audience, damo subong supporters ang Honoros ko. Bumabato ang Honoros ko.
With our host Barangay 2, Bunong Barangay Honorable Ronald D. Varcoma, Cluster Coordinator Honorable Alma May S.E. and Official Choreographer Jao M. Argoncillo. Ladies and gentlemen, our last performer, Cluster 7D on Dusko. This is
Pasaway Hadurawan Festival 2024 Festival Dance Competition.
Sang una, nagahatag kauswahan ang nadala sa ngalan sang Sipalay sa Kabantugan. Sa pagsira sang Mina, ang hindak-hindak may pagkabunan maihan na igabulus at doon magkakabili ang kasadya.
ng ulan. Dumigapi parang ako nagamulat. Isang paglao, pasito magpapalayo. At ang mga gulong, lupat, lupat, lupat. Nagkapanguna sa atong turismo sa isang paglaong ay naliligo. Urado yung naglalaba, lupat, lupat, lupat.
Once again, Cluster 7, the Ondisco! With our host, Barangay Dos, under Gulong Barangay, Honorable Ronald T. Barcoma, Cluster Coordinator, Honorable Ama May S. Ia, and official choreographer, Zhao M. Argoncillo. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, the Ondisco!
Sulot ni guys, sulot. Sulot ni. Kung wala nang problema, ay nakilala mo nga, no? May mga dancers daw medyo may part na wala sila kayo acting. Pero so far namin from the start, stage by stage, alin sa panguma, tapos
and there you go, partner, and that includes the festival dance competition. And what I would like to request all the dancers coming from different clusters from 1 to 7 to please occupy the center arena.
Kag-amol sa to, partner, dito na natapos ang aton na
sunod sila pero guys, kay may grabe ang audience impact. Kanina daw sila ang may pinakakusog nga audience.
Again, we are requesting our dancers, our performers from cluster 1 down to cluster 7 to please be here in front of the
audience. Sa gym.
From cluster 1, we have Camille Ho. From cluster 2,
Mambajangan. Cluster 3, Di Marcabulao.
Cluster 4, Puatres.
Cluster 5, Munha.
For Cluster 6, Santo Hena.
And Cluster 7, Di Ondusco.
Status to sa awarding.
So sa aton nga mga viewers, please stay tuned. Dahil may ara pa kita awarding. And of course, may ara pa kita Unity Dance. So please stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. And let us continue to show our love and support to our 7 clustered barangays.
And again, we would like to inform the entire Sipalino that tonight at 8:30 p.m. we'll be having a celebrity band featuring Lily or Kala Lily Band right here at Sipalay City Gymnasium. Again, at exactly 8:30 tonight. Sponsored by our very own Congresswoman, Honorable Mercedes Alvarez. We also have from our City Mayor, Maria Gina M. Lizares, Vice Mayor Oscar Montilia Jr.
Together with our City Councilor, Honorable Rolf Alvarez, our SK Federated President, Anthony Garucho, and together with Miss Angelica Alvarez.
And right after with our celebrity band, we'll also be having the fireworks at the Poblacion Beach. So damo-damo ang ganapan tonight. So right after the celebrity band here, we can go straight at the Poblacion Beach for the fireworks. And there will be 2 live band with performances. And we have DJ Leandro, Zyko, and the Patiqueros.
So kadamo, pakita sa mga abangan ng mga performances and activities partner. Wala pa din natapos ang aton na Pasoy Handron Festival 2024.
And this is because this is the highlight of our festivity or our festival celebration.
So ladies and gentlemen, padayon ang aton si Nadia sa Pasoy Handron Festival 2024.
Again, check out our cluster barangays. If they are already in front of us, we have the cluster 1, Tangin Ho.
Tangin Ho, where are you? Right there, alright.
We also have from the cluster 2, Mambajangan.
Mambajangan, Americanized.
Followed by cluster 3, Marcabulao.
Where are you, cluster 4? Puatres. Yes, right there.
And we have cluster 5, wala pa ang cluster 5.
Cluster 5, Munhang. You are invited to please come here at the center stage.
How about ang cluster 6, ang Santo Hena?
Santo Hena, where are you?
Walang sila.
Okay, cluster 7, Ondusco. Okay, amat-amat pa lang sila.
Certificate of Appreciation is presented to for her global support effort to make as a major sponsor and partner of the Pasaway Handron Festival 2024 and 76th founding anniversary celebration. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Congressman Mercedes Chedengue Alvarez.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Miss Angelica Alvarez.
The same certificate of appreciation will be also presented to as a host barangay of the Festival Dance Competition, Barangay Kalintalan.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to as cluster coordinator, Honorable Eliseo B. Capluto.
The same certificate as official choreographer, Marchon M. Padilla.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Honorable Hilaire B. Torres.
And the certificate of appreciation is also presented to Honorable Celio T. Libre. And let's continue for the cluster 2. Certificate of appreciation is presented to as a host barangay, Barangay Mambaruto.
As cluster coordinator, certificate of appreciation is presented to Honorable Zundre Iran.
And as official choreographer, Chomi E. Vilase.
Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Honorable Yolando G. Castro.
And the same certificate is also given to Honorable Candido P. Papasin Sr. And for the cluster 3, the same certificate of appreciation as a host barangay, Barangay Nabulao.
As cluster coordinator, Honorable Cliff Ryan G. Yano.
As official choreographer, Christian A. Valencia.
Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Honorable Enrile Inacosa.
And we have Honorable Larry A. Mate.
And Honorable Romeo B. Mayon Jr.
And now let's go over for the cluster 4. As a host barangay, Barangay 4.
And for cluster coordinator, Honorable Nemrod E. Panes.
As cluster coordinator, Daniel P. Damadaman.
And official choreographer, Chloe John L. Calvin.
Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Honorable Rolando S. Torres.
And Honorable Maricel D. Cartagena.
Let's go over to cluster 5. As a host barangay, Barangay Noha.
As cluster coordinator, Honorable Marlon Montalvo.
As official choreographer, Jobert N. Torella.
Same goes with Honorable Emiliano T. Holguin.
And we have Honorable Gemma G. Trio. For cluster 6, we have as host barangay, Barangay San Jose. As cluster coordinator, Honorable Josison G. Bulao. As official choreographer, Marvin B. Barudo. Honorable Ricardo C. De Gracia.
Honorable Alan C. Gamaga.
And Honorable Rodolfo G. Caldito. And for the last cluster, cluster 7, as a host barangay, Barangay Dos.
As cluster coordinator, Honorable Alma May S. Ia.
As official choreographer, Jal M. R. Concilio.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Honorable Ronald T. Marboma.
Honorable Mary Ann C. Torino.
Honorable Jolene D. Moises.
one more time to our Congresswoman of the 6th District of Negros Occidental, Honorable Mercedes Alvarez.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to our major sponsor, Honorable Mercedes K. Alvarez. Palakpakan natin!
We also like to say thank you to Honorable Ralph Alvarez IV.
Together with Miss Angelica Alvarez. They are, ladies and gentlemen, our major sponsors for tonight's Celebrity Band featuring Lily Orcalia Lily Band.
One more time. This time, let's proceed to the awarding of certificate to our board of judges. And we would like to request our beloved City Mayor to join us on stage. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to for sharing his time and expertise as judge in the street dance category during the festival Dance Competition 2024 of the Pasawayan Dawn Festival 2024. Signed our City Mayor, Maria Gina M. Lizares. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Dr. Ronnie J. Baldonado.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Andrew G. Altarejos.
And the same certificate of appreciation is presented to Jomar T. Lapini. And now let's continue to the awarding of certificate to our arena judges. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Joven P. Alitao.
The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to Ricky P. Lapidante Jr.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Carl King R. Esmeralda.
The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Ronnie S. Bonilla.
And the same certificate of appreciation is presented to, and one more time.